This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Schmidt. One of the most highly sought after floor plans in the community, this home has been immaculately maintained and truly feels like a model. With 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, the great room concept makes for optimal entertaining as the main living space and kitchen open up onto the screened lanai. Enjoy relaxing in your pool and spa and spacious patio area. Social membership amenities are included and include resort-style pool and spa, dining poolside, lap pool, full-service spa, pub, formal dining, patio dining, fitness center, aerobic/spin room, sauna, hard true tennis and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Schmidt at 239-293-8150.